convert the Figma UI design into a Flutter app, follow these steps. Export assets from Figma. Open Figma. Access your Figma design. Export assets. Select the assets you need. Export them in appropriate formats and resolutions for different screen densities. Set up your Flutter project. Create a project. Open your terminal or IDE and create a new Flutter project using Flutter. Create your project name. Add dependencies. Add necessary dependencies in pubspec.yaml. Build Flutter widgets. Analyze design. Break down the Figma design into components. Create widgets. Use Flutter widgets like container, column, row, stack, text, and image to replicate the design. For complex layouts, use stack and positioned widgets. Apply styles and layouts. Styles. Apply styles such as colors, fonts, and sizes to your Flutter widgets to match the Figma design. Define these in text style and box decoration properties. Layouts. Use layout widgets like padding, margin, align, and size box to ensure proper spacing and alignment. Test and refine. Run the app. Use Flutter Run to test your app on an emulator or physical device. Refine. Adjust the layout, spacing, and styling to ensure the app matches the Figma design.